Okay, so let's learn how we can create. So first of all, let's set it that in a full window. Okay, so I already import some pictures, as you can see in the pictures. Then I already create a UI and just connect it with my blueprint so I can see the the widgets. Okay, now let's work in the widgets. The widget is the main. So first of all, we go in the pictures and we'll drag this the digital the digital science fiction image. Yeah, so now we'll scale it and try to match with our scene. Okay, make sure the scene is perfect and it's maintaining the whole size, or it's cover up the whole size area. If your image is not so much high quality, you can change another image if you want. Okay, I hope you use a high quality image. Okay, so now let's test it that how it's working. Okay, as you can see, the images come. Now we need to set that the map, so we'll set the map at this position. Okay, at this coming the maps, and there's come some there's some notification buttons. Okay, this one is good. So now let's again open the UI, and now we need to first drag some image. Okay, like we need to set some image, so just set that image or imag. Okay, now we'll drag this and just scale it, and at the brush we'll open this, and here you can see now you can select your image. So first of all, we set this map and I just rescale it and just set, and you can duplicate it if you want, and then again just give like this. Then we can now change the maps to this one. Okay, yeah, and we can also add one more image, so let's add one more. Okay, this one is the last one, I hope so. Okay, and just change it to this. Okay, now we have the three different type of map at here in our widgets. Okay, now it's great. So now we need to select that we need to now give it that match or a text. We need to add a text, so just search that text. So yeah, just drag these tags and write some that. Let's see, let's select map. Okay, and just rescale it, and we just at the font size we'll just change the fonts. Okay, the font size, nothing else. Okay, I think this will be enough good. So now we need to set the gravity. Make sure that you set the gravity all the images are goodly, or it will be not work, or your image can be damaged. Okay, so make sure you set your image at goodly. Okay, let's check. So as you can see, our map is now correctly so much good. So yeah, it's enough good. So now open it, and we need to just give it at here. Now we can add some text of kind of like mission. Next, my mission for you. So we can give some like a realistic some message for our user, or yeah, so he'll be enjoy the map more goodly. Okay, now we can set the map name, so we just drag this text at here, and oh sorry, I just do some wrongs. Okay, so sorry again, I just doing the same thing. Okay, so at here, as you can see, we need to also set this at the left side gravity, and this at the text we can give it the name anything. So in my case, I'm giving it name system system, or we can give it we can give any type of like I don't know what I can give. Let's search some name like dockyard, kind of like this maybe. Okay, you can see it's the dockyard is not so, that one, which one I want. That is the tailor. Okay, as you can see, the dockyard, we need this this it just I just trying to get the correct spelling, because my English is totally suck level, that's why. Come on Google, just display me the link first. Okay, as you can see, there's a shipyard, or we can give it name like shipyard Columbia Okay, we can use this name, I hope so. Okay, let's use this, that Columbia shipyard dockyard. Okay, Columbia dockyard, it should be nice, I hope so. Then as you can see, it's another plus. So we can now again search some, some dockyard, so it will be give us uh, some randomly some dockyards of name. And we can also use this as Chittagong. Let's again just open, just wait some time for load, maybe my okay, that is the Chittagong Bangla Bandar or dockyard. So just copy it. So we need to add one more text and set like this. Make sure that your image is or how you set your UI, it's correctly Chittagong. I just give it Chittagong dockyard. Okay, one more dockyard. And this should be some kind of like land name, so we just it's some place name. So yeah, we can find any of some good full place name, and yeah, that we can use in our scene or in the game name. So maybe this will be looking nice. This place to visit, we can use this. So it takes some time for decide your which one you want. Like as you can see, it's the Bangladesh, some a historical place. So I can set this one, I'll add this, copy. Okay, I hope this will be work. Okay, now that's it, the last text. Okay, now we just set like this. Okay, so 80% of our work is done. As you can see, it's now looking it's give now our map a very realistic and a qualityful map, like how user expect from us that how should we develop the map. Like if I hit the play, as you can see, the map is working. It's working, or it's looking very nice, pretty nice. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice. Now we can add a button at here. So just add a button. You can use, just search that BUTT1 button, and you find the button, just drag it and rescale it now your match scene. Okay, and now we can you can use the color picker, so it will be match with your the scene. So now just add one more text and just drag it with this, and you can see it's changed the color totally. And we need to pick this again stuff. Okay, I think we need to set this, that operator. Okay, and the text color should be white. Okay, that is the color. Sorry, maybe the operator color should be white. Yeah, okay, now it's good. As you can see, it's looking like enough, pretty good. So we need to maybe save this stuff. Okay, and save this stuff. I don't know why this stuff is going like why it's can't picking the color. And as you can see, why can somebody tell me why this stuff is doing like this? Suck. Like why am I setting this color? It's become some ugly and daisy. Now it's not gone. Wow. Okay, and I need to like set like this. Now it's good, I hope so. Okay, that is kind of good. Now let's give it the text name that play. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, now let's hit the play, and as you can see our button is working so much goodly, and everything is so much good. I really like this scene, maybe you like also. So this way you can make your own, some very good UI skin for your game or a map selecting. So I just hope you like my video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Coding Bangla YT. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all, and bye bye.